I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I bet I've had way more fun than you.
Well, hello there, welcome back to another exciting episode of Kip Does Stuff. Several videos back, I turned my old wood lathe into a disc grinder and mounted it on my bench. Well, since then, I've put the bench in a new orientation. Now it's 180 degrees around, and now it's facing the wrong direction. My lathe is back here, and I stand on this side of it. So what I'm going to do is turn this 90 degrees facing the other direction. While I'm doing that, I'm going to true up this wheel now that I have a line on it telling me exactly where it needs to be cut to. And I'm going to install one of these belts, or excuse me, discs that I finally bought from it after having it sit here for 7 or 8 months. So let's get started. Okay, here it is with the table fully installed and everything together. Just turn it on. I think I got it going a little too fast. I'm going to change to a larger pulley to slow it down a little bit. Let's see how it goes. And it's got an automatic braking system because this keeps turning off the front because of the weight. But I can fix that at a later date. So there it is. Finally got it to the point where I can use it. And I can put my lathe back up here next to it, and I can get this cord out of the way, and everything should be just fine. So I think that'll work just fine. Thanks for watching.